contrary with section 212.
He's a person of good character. We will be paying for reasonable terms.
That was kind of you.
Given a hearing before court number 2 on the 30th of March.
He was actually brought to court on trumped up charges of assault, and of course he took plea, and with the wisdom of the magistrate court, he has been released on cash bail, and the case will proceed, and the matter will come up on 30th of January for mention. Before you bring someone to court, make sure the charge that you want to charge them is a genuine charge. And a court is not a place for coming to just settle your own political scores.
Kuna hii video yenye tumetengeneza juzi nikisema the ground has shifted. Hiyo ndio inaweza leta maneno hii yote hapa. Mimi sijui ni nani nimeguza, lakini kuna nguvu naambiwa inatoka kutoka state ina deal na mimi. I'm just a local man. Murkomen, wachana na mimi. Tulimalizana na wewe ile kesi ya Mera, unanitakia nini?